Hi everyone, in today's video we will see how to fix the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 not connecting to phone, iPhone and Android connection fix guide. So the fix one enable Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and required permission. So turn on Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, open app settings for DJI Mimo, allow Bluetooth and locate and nearby device permissions. Then reopen the DJI Mimo app and try reconnecting again. Fix 2. Restart both devices. First turn off the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Close the DJI Mimo app completely. Restart your phone and turn the camera back on and reconnect. Fix 3. Forget the device and repair. Open your phone Bluetooth setting. Remove or forget the DJI Pocket 3 connection. Then open DJI Mimo and select Add device. Then follow the on-screen pairing instruction. Now fix 4. Reset Pocket 3 wireless setting. Swipe down on the Pocket 3 touch screen, open settings and wireless connection and select Reset Wi-Fi. Reconnect the camera through DJI Osmo Mimo. The fix 5. Update DJI Mimo camera firmware. So install the latest DJI Mimo app update. Check for available Pocket 3 firmware update. Then you can complete any pending update and restart both devices. Now the fix 6. Connect using the camera Wi-Fi. So open wireless connection settings on the Pocket 3. View the Wi-Fi name and password. Then connect your phone directly to the camera Wi-Fi network. And return to DJI Mimo and complete the connection. Now the fix 7. Reinstall DJI Mimo. So uninstall the DJI Mimo from your phone, then restart your phone and install the latest version of the application. Then sign in and pair the Pocket 3 again. And the final fix, the reduce wireless interference. So move away from cord Wi-Fi network. Disconnect unused Bluetooth devices. Disable VPN or mobile hotspot temporarily. Try connecting again in the different location. Goodbye and thanks for watching.